Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about what's the difference between since and for. Well, for is followed by a period of time. How long? Like 3 days. Here we say the number of days. How many months? 6 months. How many years? 10 years and so on. But since comes before the starting point. When did you start? You say for 3 days. But here you say since Monday. We started on Monday. So you here say the name of the day, not the number of days. We say for 6 months, but since June. The name of the month. For 10 years, this is the number of years, but since 2020, the name of the year. 5 years, number of years, so for 5 years. September, name of the month, so since. 2001, this is not a number, this is a name of the year, so we use since here. 9 months, number, use for. 5 minutes, number, use for. Monday, name of the day, use since. 4 days, what you think guys? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.